Number 3 is ANYCUBIC Photon M3 3D printer. Introducing the incredible ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max resin 3D printer, the gem that brings your wildest creative dreams to life. Packed with mind-blowing features, this printer is truly a force to be reckoned with, all within a budget-friendly price range under $2,000. Get ready to unleash your imagination with its jaw-dropping print volume, a whopping 13.0 inch by 11.7 inch x 6.5 inch / 30.0 x 29.8 by 16.4 centimeters. The sheer size alone will have you grinning from ear to ear, allowing you to craft large models or print multiple creations simultaneously, boosting your productivity to new heights. Prepare to be captivated by the mind-boggling 7K high resolution on its UV LCD screen. Let's not forget about the magnificent 13.6-inch oversized LCD screen. It's a behemoth, giving you the freedom to create on a grand scale. Are you worried about damage? Fear not! ANYCUBIC has your back with a replaceable anti-scratch film, ensuring the screen remains pristine and protected from liquid mishaps. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.